As you can see right here, the stickers on this Edward model are torn and is missing the battery cover. See the stickers? The other one is okay, but we need to replace it because it's turning light blue, really baby blue actually. It's not gonna look good if I just change one, so let's remove everything. You can put some DW40 or alcohol. As you can see right here, I am done, and I just using a little bit of rubbing alcohol. See how clean it is, and this is how it looks before. So this is the other side. So I'm using a little bit of rubbing alcohol to remove the glue from the sticker. A little bit more. There it goes. Excellent. That's how it should be before you apply the new stickers. Now it happens I have here my stickers pre-cut and ready to peel on a stick. Very easy and simple. There it goes, the first one. Excellent. And the second one. Really nice. Looking good. Now the battery cover, I have here a copy of the battery covers, but this one does have a hole, so I don't have that one, and I think we're gonna cut these little tabs with a knife. Very careful, or I can use my Dremel, but I'm gonna use this knife. Now it looks good. Let's see how it works. It fits perfectly. So that's all for this model because it's working. So I was requested just to change the stickers and put a new battery cover, and it's ready to go. So I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.